And we are live. Hi Arzu, how are you?
Great, great, Harpreet. How are you?
I am great and I'm very happy to host you today. So I am so super excited for the session. And by making out, I can see your face that you are also super excited for the session and
Yeah,
fully
yeah.
charged up.
Fully charged up. Even my parents, everyone was like super excited for it. So yeah.
Amazing, amazing. Hi guys, so we are again back with our Food Friday series which is going on. And today we have Chef Arzu with us. She has her Instagram page under the name of Sugar, Salt and Soul. So guys, this page is just a reflection of what Arzu is thinking about the food and what are the concepts, what she is all about related to food. You have some amazing and ऐसे हटके recipes on her page. So please go to her page and check out the recipes and appreciate her for that. And today she's gonna make something out of sattu, and she will be the one who will be telling you about it. And I will not ruin the surprise for all of you because she's gonna do that. But I think sattu is the most underrated thing which I think. And क्योंकि वो इतना सिंपल एक इंग्रेडिएंट है कि लोग उसको ना बहुत एवे ही लेते हैं, बट आई थिंक इट्स fully packed with proteins. And I think now I should hand it over to Arzu. She will be the better person to explain about sattu and give the importance about that. And plus, she's going to tell us how to make delicious recipes out of it. So now I hand it over to Arzu and you can start the session. All the best.
Thank you, Harpreet, for such a good introduction. Okay, so hi everyone. Good evening. I hope everyone's doing well. Welcome to today's live session. So we are here with something called sattu. Okay, for those who know about it, must be like, oh, she's talking about sattu. It's such a normal thing. Why she is talking about this? But then, as Harpreet well said, it's one of the most underrated things because from the nutritional aspect or the flavor aspect or the versatility of the ingredient, this ingredient is almost gold. All right. So I'll just give you a brief introduction of what sattu is, and then we can like move on with the rest. All right. So sattu looks like this. It's like a yellowish powder. Looks almost like besan, but it's not besan. Okay, it's made with roasted chana. Now I'll show you what roasted chana also is. So if you have these at home, I don't know what you call this, but in Maharashtra we call this futana. So अगर आपके घर में फुटाने रखे हुए हैं या ये चने रखे हुए हैं, आप इनको बस पीस लीजिए. You just grind this very well और उसको एक बार ही छान लीजिए. Okay, and आपका सत्तू रेडी हो जाएगा.
So
So
as
that's
you
it.
mentioned, Arzu, कि बेसन और सत्तू दो अलग चीजें, because I have seen so many people getting confused between besan and sattu. उनको ऐसा लगता है कि just sattu is another name for besan. But thank you for clarifying that doubt to all of us again, because I think बहुत लोगों के मन में ये confusion होता है.
Yes, yes. Even I've heard so many people thinking the same way. So yeah, good to break myths and good to clear doubts.
Yes.
That's all we're here for, right? Otherwise, the recipes are like pretty normal. It's all day to day thing. I mean, at least at my home. All right. So let's get on with the recipes. I'm gonna be showing you two things, which is like a part of my day to day routine now, almost. So firstly, I'm gonna make some sattu ke parathe because parathe. I mean, being a North Indian, parathe is like it'll be in my blood.
It's a national breakfast है North का वो.
Absolutely, absolutely true. So sattu ke parathe, and the next one will be something called sattu ka ghol, which is a savory drink. If I'm gonna be terming it in fancy way, so it's a savory drink. It's full of protein, full of iron, full of nutrition, and it doesn't have sugar. So like if you're very bored with your regular protein shakes with bananas and everything sweet, you can definitely try this out. And it comes together in like minutes, and it doesn't even take you a mixer grinder and all those things. So yeah. So I'll just
Before
start
you
off with
start the session, Arzu, I would really take out a minute and would like to appreciate the effort you have done for the table setup. It looks amazing. It looks really
Thank you.
beautiful, and the way you have set up everything, it's very beautiful. Thank you so much for that setup because we loved it.
My pleasure, my pleasure. It's almost a day-to-day thing for me, all right? Like arranging foods and everything. I just love doing it. It is
I
what
should
I've always
I
loved
should
doing.
definitely take classes from you how to arrange food, and I think people who want to be that aesthetic thing कि हम कैसे arrange करें, they should come and learn from Arzu now.
Thank you so much, Bob. So sweet of you. I'm just so flattered right now. Okay. So, all right, Harpreet, tell me what to start with. आप पहले पराठा देखना चाहते हो या आप शरबत देखना चाहते हो?
I think हमें अगर हमें पराठे के डो को थोड़ा रेस्ट करना है तो I think हम वो डो बना के रख सकते हैं, and then we can move on to the drink. By
Dough,
then
in
it's
fact, is
resting.
ready. So it's a very
Oh wow,
normal dough,
amazing.
and I've kept
So
it for
I think
resting.
हम पहले पराठे देखते हैं, and then we can move on to the drink.
All right. So we'll start with the parathas, guys. Okay. So here's my dough. कुछ नहीं है, normal पराठे वाला dough है with आटा, पानी, some salt, and a little bit of oil. All right. You can, if you don't want to add salt, you can eliminate it, obviously. And I've made it into a soft dough, which has been resting for almost like 15 minutes now. So yeah, let's start off. I'll get my chakla and belan. Here we are.
And what you did not said rolling pin, because I'm so because I think लोग कितना ज़्यादा आजकल ये सब fancy. Obviously, we have learned it in college, but still, chakla is chakla and belan is belan. You can't call it all the time with rolling pin, right?
You can't, and especially if you're making parathas, like such a desi thing, तब तो not at
और
all.
जब पेरेंट्स के आसपास हो एंड व्हेन यू कॉल आउट दीस फैंसी नेम्स, पेरेंट्स तो जो लुक देते हैं, ओ माय गॉड, दैट इज so no, please carry on with the parathas. I don't want to disturb you for that now.
No, nothing like that. So I'll just tell you a little bit about these parathas. So I come from a family of UP. Okay, my family is from UP. So हमारी culture में ये paratha is like deep rooted. Everyone loves sattu ka paratha, and be it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or even an evening snack, we can make sattu ka paratha and have it like happily. So there is like no hard and fast rule in it. ये एक breakfast dish है या एक lunch dish है या dinner dish है. It's like a complete meal, in fact, from the nutritional aspect, and yeah, you can have it any time of the day. All right. So let's just start. So अभी मैंने आटे की छोटी सी गोली ले ली. अच्छा, मैं इसको यहीं रख लेती हूँ. I'm doing it for the first time, guys, so please excuse me for if I change the setup a little bit. All right.
No,
I'm going to make it into a small ball. And all right, so I was very nervous about it initially, okay? Even if it's just like parathas, but it was not something I have done. So yeah.
I think अगर आप गलती भी करोगे ना, so you learn from your mistakes, so it's okay. And
absolutely.
we don't, in Community Connect, we do not judge anybody for anything.
That's really sweet.
So it's we are normal human beings, and every one of us does mistakes, so it's okay.
Absolutely. So will you just give me a moment? I'll just switch on my induction.
Sure, definitely.
So a lot of us, in fact, almost all of us are not like very used to it using induction pans. So yeah, likewise, I had to do like a trial before I started off with it. And with that, I have to make the stuffing. All right. So starting off with the stuffing, what we'll do is we'll take some sattu. काफी अंदाजे से ले रही हूँ मैं. I'm like taking 4 tablespoons. Alright, so if you want like specific recipes, guys, any of you can DM me on my Instagram page, or you can raise a question on Community Connect if the group people can do it. Harpreet, please let us know.
Yes, definitely. Or even one more thing, I will just put the link of your Instagram page so that if people in future wants to connect for any recipes, they feel free to do that.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. So यहाँ मैंने ले लिया है मेरा सत्तू में मैंने थोड़े से प्याज डाले हैं and here I'm putting some pickle, okay, chili pickle, मिर्ची का अचार. So whatever spicy wala pickle you have, don't use the sweet ones. Any spicy pickle ka masala would do. This is just to add like a very nice kick or a very nice tang to it, which is much necessary. So traditionally, what we use here is bharve mirchi ka achar, which is a very traditional UP Bihari wala thing. You can see it here. So these have become quite old. So I chose to not use it because obviously rainy season here, so we can't take the risk, right? So I've used some packaged mirchi ka achar. I've put that, and now I'm gonna put some chopped ginger and garlic for flavor. And now some mustard oil, like a teaspoon of it. And some salt. And now some amchur powder. All right, so this amchur is also pretty optional for people who have problems with, khatai se dikkat hoti hai. My mom has some joint pain issues, so she can't have a lot of sour things. So she avoids having amchur, lemon and all. So in that case, you can completely avoid that and add in whatever you want, basically. I squeezed out a lemon in it. And now I'm just going to chop up some green chilies. And fresh coriander. And now you've got to work with your hands, all right? Cooking is all about hands. So जब तक हाथ नहीं डालते हो ना तब तक स्वाद नहीं आता है, as my mom says.
Definitely. No, I also trust that thing.
Absolutely. So now you're just gonna mix it. Don't try to make it into a dough, or don't try to bring it together. It just has to be like a normal stuffing. इसको आपको थोड़ा और गीला करना है तो थोड़ा सा पानी डाल सकते हैं, which I am also gonna do very little bit, like a little bit for the consistency so that it's a little moist from the inside. Nothing else. As I said, nothing hard and fast about it. And also there are two optional ingredients which you can also add, which is onion seeds and ajwain, carom seeds. So a little bit of ajwain and onion seeds, kalonji as it's called in Hindi. वो भी डाल लीजिए, mix कर लीजिए, and this is your mixture. And just taste it a little and you will be done. I'll just give it a little taste. Perfect. So this is done. Now keep it on the side. Now let's start with the parathas. तो मैंने आटे की लोई का छोटा सा मतलब इसे छोटा सा बेल लिया है, so that I start stuffing it now. And I'll just put the masala in between. Now comes the rolling part, all right? इसको roll करना थोड़ा difficult होता है, guys, because it has onion का pieces, chili का pieces in it, so it's not like very even. You have to roll it very carefully, थोड़ा soft, gentle hand से roll करें, so it'll be easier for you that way. And I like my parathas a bit thick, so I like keeping it a bit thick. अगर आपको thin roll करना है तो easier, but then the risk is in your hands, all right? The paratha is rolled. So again, about the induction thing, we're not like very used to using induction pans and all. So yeah, हॉस्टल लाइफ ने काफी कुछ सिखा दिया नहीं, बट हरप्रीत you also must be knowing it, right?
Yes.
हॉस्टल में इंडक्शन
So
यूज करना एंड
I have
एवरीथिंग.
not stayed much in the hostel, but जितना time भी रही हूँ, I think so I am a very fussy person. I used to be a very fussy eater, but hostel life has taught us so many things in life, whether it's
Absolutely,
eating
yeah.
just Maggie for dinner because you don't like hostel food, or maybe just bunking. I'm sorry to use this word. कोई बच्चे देख रहे हैं तो please ये सब मत सीखना हमसे. But I think
Sorry.
everybody does, yeah. So it's okay. From bunking classes and hiding from hostel wardens. Oh my God.
More than kids, now my parents are in the live session. They must be judging me, and after this they'll be
नहीं नहीं
like,
अंकल
oh,
आंटी
good.
आरजू ने ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं किया है.
हर कोई करता है, everybody knows.
Definitely. So guys, I am sorry अगर मैंने ये नहीं बताया है. So Arzu is so she was in my college, and I have not met her in college in person, but definitely when she has started her page, it was so amazing because it has so many unusual things that you can't think of. Recently, she did a challenge which I saw was making a burger shaped sweet. So it was a dessert which need to be in a burger shape. And that was so amazing. And she's doing such great work on her page, guys. Being, she's younger to me, and definitely, but she's amazing in her work, what she does.
Really sweet of you to mention that. Yeah, I just like I like keep taking challenges, and one of my friends is like very good at it, giving
Giving
random challenges
challenges.
to me. Yeah. So you know there has to be someone who knows how to give challenges also. So yeah, I just managed to do something because I love food. I mean, I love working for food. I love working around food. So if it's about food, I'll be all in all the time.
Wow,
So the challenges
amazing.
will all चल जाता है मतलब. I like it. So yeah. So if you come to my page, you will be like seeing these weird dishes. And if you don't read the caption, I'm sure you won't be able to figure out what it is.
Figure out what the actual thing is, yes.
So our paratha is getting ready now. I'll make another one.
So what do we have with this paratha? Like, what is your go-to thing to have with this paratha?
With this paratha, I like chutney.
Okay,
So
the normal green chutney what we have at home?
Yeah, green chutney would also do. My mom makes this tomato ki chutney with cooked tomatoes, green chili, dhania thoda sa and all, and she just blends it. So yeah,
Okay.
that tomato ki in fact any spicy chutney would do.
Or maybe anybody can pair it with pickle also.
Yeah, we can pair it with pickle as well. Pickle is something like which my dad likes. So yeah, pickle also does. So our first paratha is getting ready. Second is almost done. So how is all this lockdown thing working out for you, Harpreet? Like how is community connect?
So
and
yes,
everything
because
working out?
definitely during lockdown we started Community Connect, and in general Community Connect is doing so well. We are connecting with so many new people every week. It's amazing to know and to showcase. So the people are getting such a nice platform to showcase their talent, whether it's related to food, whether it's related to the Wednesday series, what are we going with, whether it's related to the Thursday sessions, what are we doing. It's amazing to connect with new people every week and to learn something new. And I think people who are a part of Community Connect, they are giving so much love and appreciation to us in terms of whatever sessions we are doing. To the people who are doing these sessions, they are getting so much love from the people who are already a member of Community Connect. That's amazing to see. And Community Connect is a place where there are so many people from different cities and different backgrounds. It's a diverse community. There is no only one set of
Right.
people. There are elderly aged people, there are people like us, there are middle aged people, there are so many people, and you get to learn so much after seeing so new things every week.
Right.
एंड डेफिनेटली एज यू
That's
मेंशनड अभी टमाटर की चटनी लोगों ने रेसिपी पूछना शुरू कर दिया है, तो आई थिंक मम्मा को बोलो वो बता भी दे पीछे से बैकग्राउंड में कि कैसे बनती है टमाटर की चटनी.
so what my mom does is it's like a very random thing, I would say. Not random, but yeah. So वो क्या करती है, वो जब दाल पकाती है, when she puts the dal in a cooker for cooking, उसमें वो 2 पूरे टमाटर डाल देती है, whole tomatoes, just like washed tomatoes. And then what she does is वो boil हो जाता है दाल के साथ, tomato भी they become soft. So she'll take out those tomatoes, peel it off nicely, and then put like chopped chilies, थोड़ा सा कटा हुआ धनिया, salt, mustard oil is a must, and that's it.
It's a raw chutney. You don't cook it, right?
You don't cook it. You cook the tomatoes.
Okay.
You boil it up, but then yeah, nothing else. So the best part is when you get that bite of green chili, the kacha bite of green chili with dhania and all, everything tastes very fresh, and it just is. I mean, it's such a flavor bomb. That's
and I think that mustard oil also gives so much. So I'm not sure how many people like the raw taste of mustard oil, but definitely, guys, in few things, if you try it raw, it tastes amazing. So I don't know if how many people have tried it with the aloo ka chokha when you make it with dal bati, because I make it like that, and I want that mustard oil to be there, kacha. It tastes amazing.
मेरे घर पे तो मस्टर्ड ऑयल के बिना नहीं होता है खाना, मतलब बन ही नहीं पाता है.
तो आई थिंक जिनको टमाटर के चटनी की रेसिपी जानी थी वो मिल चुकी है. It was super easy and super simple.
Yeah, it's nothing. It's just boiled tomatoes, like cooked tomatoes, and that's it. So I'm gonna make 3 parathas. 2 मेरे almost बन गए हैं छोटे छोटे. तीसरा बन रहा है, उसके बाद हम लोग जल्दी से शरबत बना लेंगे. I'll have my evening snacks sorted, and I hope you're gonna try it too, guys, because it's healthy. Okay, sattu is something which is very good in nutrition. It's like very rich in protein, it is rich in iron as well. And I also have written a blog. So along with my Instagram page, I also have a blog website in which I done this one blog on just chana, kala chana, and how better it is than normal Kabuli chana. All right. So उसमें आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि उसके न्यूट्रिशनल बेनिफिट्स क्या होते हैं. And talking about sattu, it's yummy. After all the nutrition, after everything, it's nice. So you'll definitely get a different taste in your palate, and yeah, that's the first thing.
I think sattu is such a simple ingredient to pair it with anything.
Yeah.
मतलब अगर आपको if you want to make a sweet thing out of it, it goes well. If you want to make sour thing out of it, it goes well. If you want to make tikha something out of it, it goes well with that. मतलब it's such a diverse item कि उसको आप किसी भी तरह मोल्ड कर सकते हो.
Absolutely true. In fact, ये जो शरबत की मैं रेसिपी बना रही हूँ, I'm going to give a sweet alternative to it as well. And as we all, like a lot of desi North Indian people would like chana and gur साथ में.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is like one version of gur and chana.
And that is, I think that is so typical North Indian thing, chana and gur. Oh my God! Now I remember my house having chana and gur.
It is such simple things, but then it gives you so much protein and gives you so much bone health. Yes. It is good for lactating women. It is good for kids who are growing up. It is good for old people. It is good for us who are like so pumped up, who have to be so pumped up like all the day, who are like workaholics and all. It's like a quick charge up for you, and it's going to keep you full also. It's very filling.
Now definitely I'm going to try this drink for sure. I have never tried it. I have sattu ka paratha. I had sattu ka mithai, and obviously we have it in dal, that bati also. I've never tried the drink, but definitely after teaching, after learning from you, I am definitely going to try this at home today.
Wow, great. So I sold my dish, guys.
Yes.
Very funny. Okay. So this is the first time I'm doing something like this. Like I have never cooked on camera. So I was like, last night I was just wondering how to keep myself and how to keep the audience busy, how to keep talking
I
while
think
cooking. But now
I
I've
think you have cooked in front of the camera, but not in the live session.
not in the live session.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for those reels, videos, and all, I've done it. But yeah, there you have space. There you don't have to like keep cooking and like make sure that
Even
everyone is.
talking at the same time. I think that becomes a little task when you're cooking and when you're talking about that dish. I think that becomes a little task for the person who's actually doing it.
It does. It does. It does become like a little task. And when you're making something like parathas, you have to be a little patient also because पराठे कच्चे रह जाएं उससे बड़ा turn off तो कुछ नहीं होता. I think. So you have to patiently cook the paratha also, and you have to. I mean, I have to now keep everyone
Definitely.
engaged also. Like I can't keep
And
quiet
पराठा
and
कच्चा रह गया तो ऐसे मम्मी का उड़ता हुआ फ्लाइंग रोलिंग पिन आएगा अपने पास.
आएगा.
यही सीखा है तुमने
तो
होटल
अभी आने
मैनेजमेंट
वाला
में.
है.
पैसे
Oh
बर्बाद.
God, I can hear my parents laughing over there.
कि हमने 3 साल तुम्हें पढ़ा के पैसे बर्बाद करे हैं अपने.
क्या हुआ? क्या कर लिया तुमने? But yeah, college was fun. Dude. College was
Amazing,
super fun. I
amazing.
mean, even for people who've not been into cooking or who don't like cooking, even towards the end of college, it was fun.
I had
I
so
taught.
many friends, Arzu, who hated in the first year, who hated kitchen practical classes. And by the end of the year, when we had those buffet assignments and everything, they loved kitchen. I myself, I love cooking. So my go-to thing, if I'm very upset or maybe angry or I'm too happy, my go-to place is whether I go for grocery shopping or I just start cooking something.
Oh my God, I can relate to it. Like completely relate to it. Grocery shopping is such a therapy.
And
Like
I
when you
think that
enter
people find
the.
it weird that being girls, how can you like buy grocery shopping? You are not aunties, go for normal shopping, go buy clothes. No, but people who don't know that it's a thing, like the satisfaction you get from grocery shopping is to another level.
Absolutely. When you walk into the aisle, like the aisle of grocery store, it feels so good. I mean, even if you just walk around and you don't
Maybe you
end up
just don't
buying
have to buy
anything.
anything and you just want to take a
Yeah,
walk. It's just so soothing to see that there are
it is.
so many things around you in the world.
Oh my God. I can relate to it so much now.
Definitely.
So the paratha is ready. I'm just glamming it up a little.
So I just saw that you were putting the filling also on the side. So can people eat it with that also?
People can, but it's not just, no, I wouldn't suggest you because then it'll get too dry. Because inside, it's the same filling, right? Which is inside.
Okay.
So it will
Yeah.
get monotonous and it'll be dry also. I would suggest some chutney which goes with it. Or if you will give me a moment, I'll quickly get some chutney from the inside
Definitely,
and I'll serve it.
please.
All right, give me a moment. So right now I don't have any fresh chutney. I have this garlic chutney, store-bought garlic chutney, which is fine, which is like, which goes with it, which goes well with it. So this is Rajasthani garlic chutney, okay, which can be made at home very easily using garlic and chilies. I like this one. So yeah, this is paratha.
Amazing, amazing.
Great.
It
So
looks delicious.
let's.
And
Thank you.
once the session is over, I would ask you to put up the photos as well on the group because
Yeah.
I want people to get more motivated towards making the paratha and the drink.
That's great. So I'm going to be clicking some pictures after this and then we'll. Now let's move on to our next dish. So, which is sattu ka ghol. Sattu ka ghol, I mean, they call it sattu ka ghol there. It is also called sattu ka sharbat. So we'll start off with some dahi. So this is also a very, very versatile kind of recipe. You can add in whatever you want. You can remove whatever you want. So I'm adding dahi. You can also use some nimbu for the khatas, for the sourness. So first up, we'll take dahi and we'll just whisk it a little. So I personally don't like when I'm having my chas and all and there are these little specks of dahi in it. I like it like properly smooth and uniform. So that's why I'm putting a little more time and just whisking it up. Don't whisk up a lot, guys, because then it will split and then you'll get butter and not dahi. That'll be funny. So yeah, the dahi is nicely whisked up. And now we're gonna put some pyaz. So pyaz here is for the flavor and also for some texture. Like when you sip into it and you get those bits of onions in your mouth, that's just that tastes. That's it. So yeah,
It's
and
it's up
onions,
to people if they want to put it or not, obviously.
right? It's raw onions. It's completely raw. So अगर आपको कच्चे प्याज नहीं पसंद है तो आप मत डालो. And okay, so next up, sattu. So for 3 tablespoons of dahi, I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of sattu. 2 heaped spoons, tablespoons. Not the exact measure, but yeah, that'll do it too. So we're doing like home cooking. That's why I'm not using any specific measurements and all, so that it's easy for everyone to follow and all. So ये हमने डाल लिए. Now I'm going to quickly chop up some green chilies because I like spicy food and most of us do. Do you like spicy food, Harpreet?
I am a big fan of spicy food, but I have reduced the quantity of spiciness in my daily routine because I was told it by the doctor. Other than that, I am still a fan of spicy food, but still, I think after the age is not the right word, but I think people should have spicy food, but not very much.
Yes, absolutely. That goes for everything, I think.
Yeah, I
I
think
mean,
the
everything that you
balance
have,
should always be there.
yeah, everything should be had in moderation. Someday here and there is fine, but yeah.
But definitely, if somebody asks me that if I like or not spicy food, I love spicy food.
So for the recipe, I've taken some dahi, sattu, chopped green chilies, chopped onions, and chopped coriander. Again, guys, mind you, this or all that I'm putting here is raw. Okay, from the onion to green chilies and everything. So if you don't like raw white green chili or onion, you can totally just put salt in it and just wrap it up like that. So salt, and next I'm going to put some amchur because I like amchur. It's completely optional, and some ajwain. You can also put roasted jeera powder because that also goes well with it. So yeah, this is it. And now I'm going to put some water. So water is also depends on the texture that you like. I mean the consistency. I'm sorry. So I like it pretty pretty liquidy. I don't like it very thick. I'm gonna make it very thin. So that's it. That's
I
literally it.
think the drink is the thing where people can do the experiment according to
Absolutely.
their likes and dislikes. Whatever they like, they can put, and whatever they don't like, they can skip that ingredient.
Yes, absolutely true. So about the drink, if you want a sweeter version of it, you can add some good in it, like jaggery powder or these days we get coconut sugar, palm sugar. Those have more flavor than normal refined sugar. So just put that with sattu and some water and you're good to go. And add some dahi if you want. Like, I mean, totally depends on you. Whatever you want, you can add it. And you're gonna get like a desi protein shake. I mean, I am not going to be hesitating from calling it a protein shake because it is full of protein, you guys. I've added dahi in it. Uh, I've added sattu in it, which is full of protein. So yeah, it's a complete power-packed protein shake because it just doesn't have protein. It has a lot much more than this. And if you add good to it, then you will get extra iron also. So yeah, so that's it. I'm going to be serving it in a small matka because it looks desi and it looks nice. And I can't wait to try it out. So excuse me,
Definitely.
guys.
I am so going home and trying this today for sure.
This tastes so good. Oh my god. So for those who like talking about food like a little technical way, I just tell you, the sattu gives us a very, very nice nuttiness to it. So you can hardly imagine a drink with a nutty flavor in it unless it's something with peanut butter or anything of that sort. So a savory drink with a nutty edge and full of proteins, and this is literally what you want. I'm sure. I'm sure. I mean, if you try it once, you're going to be making it for the rest of your life until you get bored of it because it's very easy, right?
But I think
Sattu,
people can't
namak,
get bored
pani.
because you can try out different variations with it. So you
Yes,
have so
yes.
many options. I think people should not get bored.
Yeah. There are very less chances of people getting bored of it. You can definitely play out with whatever flavors, whatever. Even, I was thinking about it the other day and I wondered if I can put like carrot puree and all of that, or some greens ka puree. Like people like to have those greens ka juice in the morning, right?
Yeah.
Kale, spinach, and all those healthy things. So you can just add that into your sattu ka ghol with some dahi and all, and it'll be like a flavor bomb. It won't taste just.
But I would like to say if anybody in the group tries that in future, like Arzu has not tried it till yet, or maybe anybody of us has not tried, but definitely in future, if you try it, do put the photos on the group so that we also get inspiration from that.
Absolutely. I mean, that's seriously it. You can add anything to it, whatever you like, and like that'll be it. I'm out of words. I had this sharbat and now I feel so good. So my evening snacks are sorted, and that's all about it, guys. I have my sharbat. If you can, all right. I'm gonna be putting some pictures as well, and my parathas, which are now garam garam, served with some nice garlic chutney and all. It's all looking very inviting, very welcoming. So yeah, I'm very excited to have it, and thank you all for being patient with me, for listening to all my chitter chatter because I can't stop talking about food when it comes to it. And also follow my page Sugar Salt and Soul on Instagram. In my bio, you'll find the link to my website as well, which is a blog site where I write down everything I talk about food. So if you like reading about food, if you like exploring more about different ingredients, or if you like experimentations or such random things with food, definitely go out to my page. Like I'll be happy to spread it to a larger audience. Great.
Definitely. So thank you so much, Arzu, for teaching us all these delicious and yummy recipe with sattu, because I think it was so easy and but you have shared so much knowledge also about it. That's amazing. And thank you so much for your time. And definitely people go check out her page. I'll even put it in the comment box because there are definitely some very unusual things you will never heard that they can go together. But she has put it together, and after seeing the pictures also, you will not feel that they shouldn't be together. The pictures are doing 100% justice, and it was amazing hosting you today. Thank you so much.
Great for being such a great host. And it feels so good to be talking with someone who's come from the same background, come from the same college.
Definitely.
And
Yes.
obviously the college, oh my God. Like there are so many memories. I get so charged up whenever it comes to my college. I get so emotional. So
Same
thank you so
here.
much for hosting me. Looking forward to do more of such live sessions because now I've gotten pretty confident with it. Thank you for giving me this exposure, Harpreet, and thank you to Community Connect for just having me.
And from Community Connect side, thank you for hosting today's session with us.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye. Have a great day ahead.
Have a great day, y'all. Bye.